I see so many people struggling with this messy setup of like 5 different tools just to host a coaching session, an online meeting, or some kind of live webinar for their business. You've got one tool for booking, another one for payments, one for the video call itself, and maybe another just to send the replay. It's expensive, confusing, and a total hassle, not only for you, but for your clients, members, or whoever you're trying to serve. So I'm going to show you how you can put all of this under one roof. That way you can focus on helping your customers. Why should you listen to me? Well, I've helped over 10,000 creators build online knowledge businesses, and I've not only gone through these problems myself, but I've helped so many others solve them as well. Okay, the tool we're going to be using here today is called Heights Platform. I'm going to show you a couple of ways you could approach selling an online meeting. You may have some ideas in mind, but after I show you this, you may get some new ideas as well. Heights Platform is really an all-in-one solution for selling any kind of online knowledge business type products, online courses, communities, coaching, downloads. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to sell access to an online meeting. So if we go here to the creator dashboard and click on meetings/live, you'll see here there are 4 different ways that we could have some kind of live calls. It could be in our community, inside a live lesson, a digital product, or an instant meeting. The first one I'm going to start with is a digital product. A digital product can really be anything that you want to sell is digital. So a download, an event, a service, a live call. The way that we can set this up, the way that I like the most is when you go here to create, we could just choose digital product here. But there's also the AI product generator. And what's really nice about this is you don't have to learn any of the terminology of the software. You can just say, this is the result I want to provide, and this is what I want to be included in it. And you can describe it in your own words. So if you say you want a coaching call or a group coaching, an online course with a coaching call or something like this, you just describe it the way that you know. So for example, I'll just make it really, really generic and simple. Say coaching services, one-on-one coaching, and I'll make it paid, and then say it's $99. I hit start, and now the AI shows what it's going to generate for us. And here it's giving us some recommendations, saying that I could clarify the value proposition a little bit more than just saying coaching services, but we'll skip ahead and hit save. And so now we have this product created for us. And what's really nice is now we don't have to go find all the checkboxes and things we have to do to get this set up. And what I'm going to do is I went a little bit further with a product already that I can show you right here. And so this is what it looks like when we have a digital product for sale that is a coaching call. And I'm going to show you exactly how I set this up and how easy it is. First of all, I made it a little bit nicer by adding an image and a quick description. And for this, I just used ChatGPT. Heights AI doesn't generate images, but I literally just took a screenshot of my account here and said, this is the coaching platform I'm using. Can you make me an image? It made me an image. It's not great, but it's something for now for this quick demo. And I said, give me a description as well. I put those 2 things in here. We have the call setup, and then we have the ability to purchase this. And so what we would do is after we have this, we can just click copy checkout URL. And then that's what we would share to our potential customers. So whether we're going to send it to our email list, put it as a link, as a button on our website somewhere, promote it in an ad or social media, we can just use this URL and then we'll be able to receive payments. Really important to note that with Heights Platform, there are 0 transaction fees. So that means if somebody pays you, it goes directly to your Stripe or PayPal account and you don't get any percentage taken out by the platform. I'm going to show you specifically what we can do to set up this call and actually what happens on the experience side of your customers. So when your customers first come here, they're not going to see this area about the call happened or that the call started. They're simply going to see the description and the image and then the option to purchase right here. Once they have purchased, they'll be able to see this link and then know when the call is going to happen. But more specifically, if we come over to this new product, so this one has no image, it has no description yet. I'm going to click edit and I'm going to just publish it just to make sure I'm able to start the meeting for you. And now when I hit update, go back to view, you'll see that we've got this button here now. Instead of it showing that the call is happening or to join the call, we can click this. And this is where we can set up how we want the call to work. We have 2 options, meeting room or live stream. So meeting room is probably what we're going to pick, that this is like a one-on-one coaching, a group coaching, where you're going to be on the camera or video and your customer may be able to discuss with you. Live stream would be something more like a kind of paid webinar or paid event where maybe you're going to teach or present and then everybody can watch you. They can interact in chat, but they can't talk and they can't appear on video. So we're going to choose this. We have some other permissions we can adjust as well. And then we have an option to schedule this. So I'm just going to go and pick a date here. We have the ability to send reminder emails. This is also completely built in, so we don't need a separate email service. If we want to customize these, we can, but I'm just going to leave it how it is and click Set Schedule. And now you can see that we have these different scheduled calls. And then specifically what our customers are going to see is when they come back to this page, they will see the time that the call is scheduled. They won't be able to start it, but once it has started, they'll be able to join it. So only you can actually start it. And they'll also get the links to join this call via their email. So when I go in here to click Start, it's pretty similar to what you would see in a Zoom setup. I'm not going to turn on my camera right now because I'm recording here as well, but I'll show you a demo of me going into a call with my teammate so you can get an idea of what happens and what that looks like. Now I want to come back to the meetings and live page here to show you a couple other real quick things. First is if we wanted to record these sessions, we can do that and we'll be able to access the recordings here if we wanted to provide those to our customers or something like that later on. Now I want to show you a couple other ways that we could potentially charge for this and ways that we could structure this, because depending on your business or the product that you're trying to create, the service that you're trying to create, you may want to do it a little bit different. One, which I'm not going to really touch on in too much detail, is the idea of live lessons. So if you were going to make an online course, one of the things that I've seen people struggle with, and after helping more than 10,000 people do this, is that it takes time to actually figure out what are you going to say, how you're going to get that content out there. And one of the best things to do to speed that up for yourself and to make sure that you're providing your customers with the right information that they actually need is to just do it live. And so you can have these different lessons set up where every day, instead of you having to record to a camera, you can go there live and your customers can ask you questions, you can help them. And then what's really nice about this is, unlike trying to use Zoom or some other solutions, when you're done the live lesson, Heights is automatically going to turn that into a recording for you. When people go back to it later, there's a video lesson replay for them to go watch and complete, and you didn't have to do anything to set it up yourself. So the first version of your course can be done live, which automatically kind of turns into the second version, which is this kind of evergreen experience. Digital products we just went over. Next is community. I think more and more going forward, community is going to be such a big either value add or a core product offering, because people want to connect with like-minded people. They want to find people who are trying to achieve or accomplish the same things that they are, and they want to get support along the way. And they want to be able to do that with other real people, not AI. In your community, you can sell access to certain channels and you can have live or group calls or streams within those channels. The way that that works and how you start that is very similar to what I just showed you with digital products. The last one that I actually want to demonstrate here is the instant meeting. The instant meeting is the absolute easiest thing to set up, and it's something that you might use even with like a free consultation call or something like that as well. And that is simply by clicking this button right here. So when we click Start Instant Meeting, it brings us into the same like call waiting room screen, but you'll see we've got this copy invite link button here. And when we copy this, we can share this to anybody. And what's different about this versus like a digital product call or something where they need to kind of get access to it first, you could put this link for your instant meeting into like a calendar invite or something like that, where when people go to have a meeting with you, instead of putting the Zoom link or the Google Meet link, you can use this. And then you are letting people into your own branded Zoom, your own branded meeting platform. And while you could argue, maybe it's not 100% necessary that you have your own branded version when you're just starting out, something like Zoom could be fine. It's a lot more professional if you can actually direct people to your own website, your own domain with your own logo, like this elite coaching here. This is just a demo, then being able to bring people into that experience. And it may give you some more confidence as well. But what's different about this instant meeting room is that you can put that in a calendar invite anywhere you want. People don't have to kind of register for it, but people also don't have to have an account inside your program in any way. They can simply join as a guest and they will type in their name, and then just like a lot of other online meeting platforms, you'll be able to click accept in order to let them into the call once you've started it. I really believe we're going to see so much more use of live video and live experiences in business in the near future. And there is a lot more in how it can be used. And I think a lot more that could be shared here. So if you have other questions about this, please leave them in the comments. I want to make more videos about this. I will say that if you want to give Heights Platform a try, we have a completely free trial for 30 days. There is no credit card required. So you just sign up and you can start doing these live calls right away. And besides the technical side, which Heights platform has covered and made easy for you, at least, there is a whole lot more that goes into this. So in terms of moderation, in terms of how do you get people to show up? How do you make sure that you remind them at the right times? And how do you structure what you're going to talk about? And I'm planning to make a more comprehensive video about all the other parts that go into running a successful live stream or a group call. And I want to hear from you. Basically, what else do you want to know so I can make sure to include that? When I've done that video, I'll put that as a link below in the description. Until then, if you want to see more, please remember to like and subscribe.